Michelle from the North University Community Library, and I'm going to show you how to make pan sushi. So pan sushi is basically what it is. It's sushi in a pan instead of in a roll. Think of what you like in a basic California roll. Rice, crab sticks, cucumber, and avocado. And that's it. Oh, and of course our little sushi things. So let's get started. This is a lot easier to do. Like if you want to take sushi for a crowd. I once offered to make sushi rolls for a party, and I was miserable because it took forever. So this is a good way to do it in advance, and just bring it and it's ready to go. And trust me, it'll go really, really fast once you bring it to a party, so you don't have to worry about it sitting out and going bad. What I'm doing is I'm taking my sushi rice and I'm pressing it down into the bottom of the pan. Just like that. Next, we've got our crab, imitation crab. If you want to be fancy, go ahead and do the fancy real crab. This is mixed with a little bit of mayo, just to help it stick all together. If you like spice, you can add some sriracha or chop up some fresh jalapenos to mix right into this. Now I'm basing my pan sushi on a California roll, but if you like tuna rolls, salmon rolls, go ahead and sub. Canned tuna is fine, canned salmon is fine, or what you can do is take a nice piece of fish, ahi or salmon, pop it in the oven for a bit to roast it, and then flake it off, and you've got your alternative protein. Okay, what's going next? Another layer of rice. Right in here. So obviously you can scale this up or down however you like. If you just want a quick lunch for yourself or one other person, that's great. Make it in a cake pan for a bigger crowd. You just have to scale up your ingredients. Okay, second layer of rice is done. Now we're going to go in with the cucumber. In a traditional roll, the cucumber is long strips. We're doing it like this so that it's easier to grab. A little bit more, like that. And then the best part, at least in my opinion, avocado. Sprinkle it right on top. A little bit more. If you're not an avocado person, go ahead and leave it out. This is customizable to whatever you like to eat in your sushi rolls. You can get fancy, put some of that tempura shrimp on it. You can go exotic. Oh, I forgot to mention that all of these ingredients you can find at a regular grocery store. So anybody can make their own pan sushi. All right, last bit. Sesame seeds are good, but what I found is a little bit better, bagel seasoning. It almost looks like the Japanese topping for kaki, but like I said, you can get all of these ingredients at a regular grocery store. So if you don't want to source out an Asian market to get more traditional ingredients, go ahead and hit it with the bagel seasoning. And there you have it, pan sushi. There are a couple different ways to eat this. So we've got seaweed snacks. Take mine right here and just dig in. Make sure you get all down to the bottom to get all the good stuff. Just like that. And from here, you can make yourself a little roll. Just like that. Okay, now the other way to eat it. This is real fun. I'm gonna scoop some onto my plate here. Just like this. And as somebody told me when I was describing it to them, you take the seaweed snack, oops, and half a spine, and just grab it like a tortilla and eat it like that too. Okay, this is how to make pan sushi. I hope you enjoy.